Highway. From Victoria up to Queensland, the ribbon runs straight through the map. Black bitumen, white lane lines, heat haze flicking at the edges. Some days it's rough patches, potholes, road works, cones lined up like little orange towns. And the whole thing feels patched together until you keep moving on. This is the Newell Highway, long haul, no fuss. Trucks rolling steady, brakes making dust. From the south to the north, it keeps on pulling through. Kangaroos on the verge and headlights coming at you. This is the Newell, and it don't slow down for you. Sometimes it bends a little, then opens wide again. Wet shoulders, flooded dips, mirage shimmer off the tar. Road trains dragging dark, prime movers lit for the run. Tail lights strung out in a line, like the whole night got organized. Every stop has a deadline, every load has to land. You see the country change from flat plains to gentle hills, dusty paddocks, then green crops, sunburned fences, weathered sheds. Little towns you barely notice, a pub, a general store, a church. Blinking you might miss them, but they're there holding on to their patch of the highway, a lifeline running through. This is the Newell Highway, long haul, no fuss. Trucks rolling steady, brakes making dust. From the south to the north, it keeps on pulling through. Kangaroos on the verge and headlights coming at you. This is the Newell, and it don't slow down for you. At the servo just after dawn, coffee in a paper cup, mud on the steps, diesel in the air, someone checking tires by hand. Then back out where the road keeps writing its own line. Past Double, past Moree, past the next fuel sign. This is the Newell Highway, long haul, no fuss. Trucks rolling steady, brakes making dust. From the south to the north, it keeps on pulling through. Road cones, road trains, and that hard red glow. This is the Newell, the one that gets you home. Bring it round all black in front, see you on the run back. All good, roger that.